Hi, welcome to Cute Things by Rebecca. I am Rebecca, and today we are going to make a cute little doll for your Elf on the Shelf or Skelly the Skeleton. There's a couple ways we can finish this project, and that's why I have my snaps and my press for my snaps. You're going to need tearaway stabilizer and your hoop, 5x7. I have 2 pieces of felt, 5.5 by 6.5. Fleece is recommended because it's got a little bit of stretch, and if you're not going to slice it up the back and put snaps on it, I recommend that because it goes over the body a little bit better. But today we're using felt. Anyways, I have the design loaded up in the machine, and we're going to go ahead and get started. The first step is a placement step. I'm going to run that now and show you what it looks like. So here's the placement step, step 1. Now you just want to take your felt and lay it over the entire placement step, like so, and then run the next step. Okay, so there's the outline of your shirt. You want to do this so it shows the little stitching when you cut it out, and you'll have a little seam. So you want that to show. So next is the fun design on the front. I'm going to run that. This one is I Saw That. So I'm going to go ahead and run that in the machine, and then I'll show you what that looks like. Okay, here is the design all finished. Now you just want to take your other piece of felt and lay it over the top and sew that last step on the machine. Okay, that was the last step. Now I'm going to go ahead and remove the stabilizer and flip it over, turn it around, and we'll see what that looks like when it's all out of the hoop. Look, there's a little shirt all done. That's what it looks like on the back. I have 2 sizes in the files when you buy these. One for the doll size, the elf size, and one for the skeleton size. For the skeleton, what you want to do now is just go ahead and slice it all the way up the back. And then use the snap tabs to snap it once you get it on your doll. So you can do that with the elf shirts too. If you don't want to stuff his little body in these shirts, there's no reason why you can't use the tabs, the snaps for the back of the shirts of those dolls either. It makes it kind of easier. So anyways, that's the little doll shirt. Fun to do, and I'll have lots of fun designs coming out with that. Thanks for watching. This is what it looks like with the tabs, the snap tabs that I just placed on the back of these. Well, they are really good sticky tabs, that's for sure. Anyways, that's it. I Saw That.